Oh, here's a bass. Yep. Oh, the fish on.
Nice. You gotta ask me to remove your line. There's no fish down on this part. Policy is that we do not allow fishing down here.
Hey, what is going on, everybody? It's Fishing with Calvin, and today it is the second day of the 24 daily uploads of December. This 24 daily uploads of December is just a little special thing I'm doing for you guys. You guys have been so good for me, interacting with my content, leaving comments, liking it, subscribing, all that good stuff. So I wanted to do something special, do something a little different this year, and just really try and just push out content so you guys, let you guys really enjoy your Christmas break. Hope you guys enjoyed yesterday's little live stream, letting you guys talk to me in person. That was the first live stream I've ever done, so it was pretty cool. I'll put the schedule up here if you guys need it, and if you guys need it, just take a screenshot. But we got a packed schedule this December. Today I got a really cool video that I filmed during spring break, I think in March. I don't know why, but we just had the urge to get out of town, so we went to San Antonio, me and my dad, and fished the San Antonio River Walk. I'm not gonna spoil it too much, so I'm just gonna let you guys get right into it. Hope you guys enjoy. Let you guys get to it. This is awesome. Just made it to the hotel. It's crazy. Here's our room. The lady at the front desk really hooked us up. She said she'd give us a bigger room, bigger balcony, everything. So our hotel's right outside, looking on the river. And here's the best part of the room. I'm filming this on my iPhone right now, so hopefully I don't drop it. It's literally right outside on the water. If I wanted to, I could cast a line right into the river, which really tempts me, and I don't know, but I hope you guys can see the river where you're at. Right there's the river walk, all the buildings. We're in the heart of downtown. It's insane. It's like right down there. The water, so I might just try to get a few casts in, and man, this is sick. They got a huge balcony, and couldn't ask for much more. This has been a great vacation so far. Well worth the journey right here, and we get some fishing in tomorrow. I'll see you guys the next update when something good happens. When they're bedding, this is such a cool spot. Oh, here's a bass. Yep. Oh, the fish on.
Nice.
Oh. Gosh.
Is it a bass?
Yeah, it was a bass. As soon as it hit the water,
right there.
as soon as it hit the water, he was on it.
I see a couple of fish.
Oh, there's a big tilapia. Let's see if I get that tilapia.
Get the GoPro on?
Yeah. This is sick, guys. It's shallow. We can see everything down there. It's a decent fish. Dang, he was on it as soon as it hit the water. Oh, there's one, guys. Man, these bass are just roaming. Oh, got him. Little bass. That is so epic. Look at that, guys. He's a dark fish. He's a healthy one. He's chubby though. Look at that. I gut hooked this guy a little bit, so I'm gonna get him back. I'll show you guys the next one. Insane. Man, one of the most urban places. I didn't think it was gonna be like that. I thought it was gonna be tough fishing today. They see it and they're on it. We were talking to a guy last night who was fishing at the spillway. Said he caught like a 3-4 pounder, or his wife did. So it's a sick area. Just cast around that spillway, probably they're waiting for stuff. Oh, there's a big tilapia. Darn it. I saw 2 tilapia. These fish are just waiting for stuff to flow down that spillway. Yeah, I see a whole bunch of tilapia in there. They're all looking up though. I saw some tilapia following my lure, but I don't think they want this bait on the bottom there. Kind of looking up almost. Let's see if I like get up there and pitch right onto them. Right in the heart of downtown San Antonio, the Riverwalk. Hopefully they don't get spooked easy. Seems like the bass are sitting a little bit off the waterfall. Oh man, here's a good tilapia. Just feeding, or carp. Shoot, where did he go? I spooked him. Man, I don't know what you could catch in here. Probably a lot of different stuff. Oh, that fish is on a bed. I wonder if that's a bass. So hard to see my worm because it blends in with the bottom. Drop it right on his nose. He does not seem interested. Somebody's probably caught it before. Oh, there's another one. Everything's on beds. I think they're tilapia. Alright, let's see if we can find some more bass. Whatever these aren't wanting to bite. Oh. There's something awesome right there. Eat it. Swing back. I just got one little one, but
really?
Yeah.
I didn't know there'd be any fish in there. That's funny.
Yeah. It's pretty cool. Thanks. Oh, there's one. Yeah. Look at that, guys. Another healthy bass. They're eating. Alright. I'll put him back. So cool. Never thought the fishing would be like this. Our hotel is just a few blocks away. People are so nice here. Yeah, there's like a tilapia or something in there. He followed my lure once and then he doesn't want to follow it anymore. Alright. Oh, there's another little bass. They're fingerling sized bass, but they're so fun to catch. Look at that. I want to catch a bigger one though, like a 3-4 pound. They're feisty in here too. Like they've never been caught really, most of them probably. guy we were talking to last night was catching them on worms. Yeah, look, guy, all of them are really healthy. It's a good ecosystem for them. See another fish over there. Just gotta go back. There he goes. Man, my worm is ripped up. Let's get a new one. Can't catch a tilapia. There's one just hanging out in these pipings. It's a really cool looking fish. It's all white. Man, this is insane. I'm gonna keep walking. If there's any other cool spots. Oh, there's a big bass. There's a tilapia right next to the bass. Spooked them both. He got off. So what?
We're standing down, but there's a boat coming.
Stand down? Yeah, I think he got off.
He did.
Shoot.
You got it, it's a big one.
He just lost it.
So the 1868 that track was built by German Americans. They built it because they needed a place.
It actually was still on there.
Huh?
It was still on there.
Was it?
Yeah.
How you doing? You gotta ask me to remove your line. There's no fish down in this part.
Oh, is that right?
Yeah. You gotta go further down the river. This is they don't allow fishing on it.
Gotcha.
Yeah. But on the
See that?
Yeah.
no, it isn't. No. Policy is that we do not allow fishing down here. Well, that's why I'm here for, to make it known to people. I can have somebody come down and explain it to you, but I need you to remove the line from the water, okay? This is the second time I've asked you all.
Yeah, because I looked it up.
Okay, well, you may have looked it up, but you didn't look at it the right part.
Where? Can you show me where?
No, I'm not going to show you. I'll get somebody to come down here and they can explain it to you.
Please.
Yeah. All right, go ahead back over. And we'll be over there with you.
Yeah, please.
In a moment. Yeah, if you could. We don't allow fishing on this property. Okay, thank you.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's not false, so I want each other.
Move your line from the water.
Oh man, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed that little video. Hope you guys enjoyed seeing me get kicked out. One of the first few times I've ever got kicked out of a place fishing. The dude fishing across from us was crazy. He was about that life, so I was just gonna not make a big deal out of it. I'm sure you could have fished there, but it's all good. We just left and called it a day. But I hope you guys enjoyed that little vlog, and hope you guys are ready for tomorrow's video. That being said, I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.